Politics surrounding the Yamuna River continues to escalate in the national capital as Delhi's Minister of Irrigation and Flood Control, Parvesh Verma, took a boat tour to inspect the state of the river. During his inspection, he announced that a significant 1,300 tons of garbage have been removed from the Yamuna over the past 10 days. The BJP leader expressed confidence in the progress that's been made up till now, stating that he plans to take a dip in the river soon, contrasting this with the AAP leadership, which he accused of merely complaining and failing to take action to clean the river. Listen in.
हमारी सरकार का प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का एकदम स्पष्ट हमको निर्देश है कि किसी भी कीमत पर कोई भी ढिलाई बर्दाश्त नहीं की जाएगी। मैं दिल्ली वासियों से भी ये कहना चाहता हूं कि इस हमारी मुहिम में हमारा साथ दें और ये मिशन मोड में हमको काम करना है। सरकार के पास में पैसा भी है और सरकार के पास में पैशन भी है। पूरे पागलपन के साथ में हम इस काम को करेंगे। दिन रात अधिकारियों के साथ में बैठक चल रही है। पिछले 10 दिन में 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा बैठकें हो चुकी हैं। जो पहले की सरकार रही उनके दिमाग में ये बात था ही नहीं कि उन्हें यमुना मैया को कभी साफ भी करना है। केवल उनको एक ही काम आता था कि दूसरे लोगों पर अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को डालना, एक्सक्यूज देना।
दिल्ली वाले यमुना नदी के अंदर अगले 5 साल में भी
नहीं, मैं ही लगाऊंगा सबसे पहले, चिंता मत करो।
Remember, cleaning the Yamuna was one of the key promises made by the BJP during the recently concluded Delhi Assembly elections, and the party seems determined to make visible progress on this front.
PWD Minister of Delhi, Parvesh Verma, is inspecting the Yamuna stretch over here, and he started from the boat club near civil lines and is moving towards Signature Bridge. Post that, this inspection will go towards the ITO barrage, then to Okhla barrage, and then it will culminate at the ITO Chhatghat. Now, we know that how the Delhi government, since they have come to power, the BJP, they have been saying that cleaning of Yamuna and making Yamuna riverfront within the lines of Sabarmati riverfront will be their priority in next 3 to 4 years, and perhaps that is why the work has already started on that front. And hence we see that how Parvesh Verma with all the PWD officials and the officials of the other department is taking a tour of this particular stretch of Yamuna, where we can see that it's completely dirty over here. The Yamuna is completely filled with filth, garbage, and as we speak over here, it has become very difficult to breathe because of the stink that is coming. So it will be an uphill task in front of the BJP government to clean all this dirt and garbage from Yamuna and ensure that within next 2-3 years, as they promised in their manifesto, that Yamuna would be a tourist place in Delhi where people from all across the country will come. We know for a fact that how the Delhi government has also charted out a plan over it. And now we see that how Parvesh Verma, the PWD minister, is taking a route, a tour in a boat, and where he will be also guiding the officials that what exactly, specifically the PWD department will have to do when it comes to cleaning of Yamuna or cleaning of the banks of Yamuna. Now we know that how in run-up to the elections that how the BJP has been attacking the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that Arvind Kejriwal promised that the Delhi government will clean Yamuna in few years, in 5 years, but that has not happened. And this was a major point of contention, of political fight between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. And now we see that BJP knows that the questions will be asked from them if the cleaning of Yamuna is not done in a time-bound manner, and hence the work has already started. PWD Minister Parvesh Verma will be taking a round of the stretch of Yamuna from Signature Bridge to ITO to Okhla barrage, and then it will culminate at ITO Chhatghat. So we have to wait and watch what exactly would be the outcome of this inspection. But when it comes to cleaning of Yamuna, this has been the major poll promise of the BJP, and people in Delhi surely believe that the BJP government will do something regarding that, and perhaps that is why they have shown trust in the BJP to come back to power after 27 years. So it's an uphill task in front of the BJP government. We have to wait and watch whether they will succeed in it or not, and how much time it will take for them to clean Yamuna of this filth and dirt.